endoscope in its basic form is a flexible shaft that usually has a camera and a light on the end and some sort of working channel or opening where the doctor can insert tools or devices.
The endoscopes that we work with primarily are flexible steerable endoscopes. So they are designed to access hard to reach areas in the body. The endoscope can get in and visualize and provide access for various tools to do both diagnostic and therapeutic procedures. We work with a lot of different types of endoscopes, from cystoscopes to go into the bladder, ureteroscopes to go into the kidney, bronchoscopes to go into the lungs, duodenoscopes to go into the stomach and the duodenum.
I think there's two aspects that we can differentiate ourselves from, say, our competitors in developing medical devices. One is our speed at which we can try new things and change. We have the ability to maybe test some components that are already in production, so we have available inventory for products, as well as through our vertical integration, we can source different variations fairly quickly. And that helps us to be able to really get our customers out to market faster. The other benefit to us is we've been in the market for a long time. We've got engineers with years of experience. So the broad nature of the engineers and the experience that they bring help us to be able to provide a better landscape of options to our customers.